Storm Chaser Ross.
Yes, taking your job. I can see the circular formation to it before.
Oh, there's a rainbow going to it too.
What's this stuff flying around?
Debris.
Debris?
Oh,
Oh yeah, like major debris.
hopefully it's not our